let's do question number 11. Question number 11. The question says, Ashok lent out 7,000 at 6% and 9,500 at 5%. So two principles है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? First principle is 7,000 rupees and second principle is 9,500 rupees. Okay. This 7,000 principal is lent out at 6%. So ये 7,000 principal को 6% पे lend किया है, दिया है किसी को, and 9,500 is given at 5%. Okay. Find the total income of interest in 3 years. Both the amounts are given, both the principal are given for 3 years. Okay. So this is also 3 years. This is also 3 years. And they are asking us to find the total income from interest. मतलब इससे कितना इंटरेस्ट मिला और इससे कितना इंटरेस्ट मिला, दोनों इंटरेस्ट का सम चाहिए, ठीक है? So we'll find separately the interest from both the parts. So what is the formula for interest? Interest is PRT upon 100. Okay. Interest is PRT upon 100. So 7,000 plus 6%, sorry, multiplied by 6% into time 3 years upon 100. Just a second. Board is not clear. Wait. Just a second, I'll check out. Just start solving this sum, this one. I have explained the sum to you. I know the board is not clear, maybe because the upload is on. So the connection, in 2-3 minutes, it will get fixed. Okay, just solve this sum. Rian, it will be informed in group. I'm not writing anything on the board because the board is not clear. You solve the sum. Solve these two sums and send me the answer for interest. In the first one, take principal as 7,000, rate as 6% and time 3 years. Again, find interest, take principal as 9,500, rate as 5% and time as 3 years. Find the interest in both the cases. Find the interest. Find the interest. And all of you keep your video on. Let me see you solving. What is the answer you are getting for the interest? In the first one, you should get the answer as 1260. First one, you should get the interest as 1260. And the second case, you should get the answer as 1425. Then first one you should get 1260, second one 1425. Then add both the values and find the total interest. What is the answer you are getting after adding both the values? You should get 2685. Yes, very good. 2685. The answer for the second one should be 1425. I am dictating everything because the board is not clear. It will get fixed in 1-2 minutes. I am dictating everything. The first interest you should get 1260, Tehla interest. Second interest you should get 1425. Then add both of them. Your answer should be 2685. Total interest. Done with the 11th sum? Yes, all of you done with the 11th sum? So let's start the 12th one. 12th question. It says Raj borrows 8,000, out of which 4,500 at 5% and remaining at 6%. मतलब total 8,000 rupees borrow किए थे. Okay, total 8,000 rupees borrow किए थे. छोटा सा difference है sums में, sum में, ठीक है. 8,000 borrow किए थे. इसमें से 4,500 जो है, they were lent out at 5%. ओके तो कितना बचा? 8,000 में से 4,500 यहाँ पे आ गया, तो हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट? 8,000 माइनस 4,500, करेक्ट? 8,000 माइनस 4,500, you will get the value as 3,500. सेकेंड पार्ट, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है और ये सेकेंड पार्ट है. कैसे मिला? 8,000 माइनस 4,500. You can write here 8,000 minus 4,500. Okay, so your first part, and this 3,000 remaining is lent out at 6%. Remaining is lent out at 6%. फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट पेड बाय हिम, टोटल इंटरेस्ट पेड बाय हिम इन 4 years. तो दोनों के लिए आपको लेना है 4 years. दोनों के लिए लेना है 4 years. So principal is 4,500, rate is 5%, time is 4 years. Find the interest for interest 1. Then second case, principal is 3,500, rate 6%, time again 4 years. Find the interest here also and add both the interest value. Yes, what is the answer for interest 1? What is the interest 1 you are getting? 900. Yes, 4,500 into 5 into 4 upon 100. 5 4 are 20. You will get 900. First value is 900. And second value? One seven. Second value is how much? 840. What is the second value here? Interest for the second part, 3,500 as principal, that part. $840. So the total interest will be 900 plus 840. 1740. Correct, KF, Spark. Yes, who else got the answer? Yes, Jaya. I hope the connection is proper now. I'll say that it will get fixed in 2-3 minutes. Okay. Next sum. Next sum. 2 sums are left in this exercise. I hope you have copied this. Come to question number 13. Okay, do it. Copy it. You can message me if you need a minute more to copy. I will wait for you. Don't worry. Just all those who have completed, just read the next question and try to understand it yourself. 13. Mohan lends 4,800 to John for 4.5 years. Okay, so the principal is 4,800. Time is 4.5 years. Okay, and 2,500 to Shyam for 6 years. So he has lent another sum 2,500 for 6 years, and this is for 4.5 years. Okay, 4,800 rupees दिए है 4.5 years के लिए, 2,500 rupees दिए है 6 years के लिए. Okay, and receives a total sum of 2,196 as interest. मतलब जो टोटल इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है इससे और ये वाले पार्ट से, टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑलरेडी दे दिया है क्वेश्चन में. They have already given us the total interest received, that is 2,196. So I'll write here total interest is 2,196 already given. Okay, find the rate percent, it being same in both the cases. They are saying the rate is same in both the cases. Okay, the rate is same in both the cases. They want us to find the rate percent now. ठीक है, तो कैसे करेंगे देखो. यहां से हमें फर्स्ट पार्ट से इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा I1, सेकेंड पार्ट से इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा I2. करेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द टोटल इंटरेस्ट? Total interest is I1 plus I2. Okay, this is what we do always. Now, the value of total interest is already given 2,196. Okay, interest का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? PRT upon 100. फर्स्ट केस के लिए PRT upon 100 प्लस सेकेंड केस के लिए अगेन PRT upon 100. ओके, दोनों इंटरेस्ट को ऐड किया तो ये मिला टोटल इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. नाउ 2,196 इक्वल्स प्रिंसिपल क्या है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट केस के लिए 4,800. रेट क्या है? वी डोंट नो द रेट, सो इट इज R, एंड टाइम इज 4.5. सॉल्व दिस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 4.5 means 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 upon 2 years. Correct. So this is 9 upon 2 upon 100. Okay, plus second case के लिए what is the principal? 2,500 into R into time is 6 years upon 100. Let's simplify this. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 24s are. Here again 0 0 cancel. So what will remain here? 24 into 9. Correct? 24 into 9 is 216. So यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 216R. 216R बचा. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे R भी तो है ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इसके साथ. So 24 into 9 is 216R plus 25 into 6. 25 into 6 is 150R. Correct. 150R, and this is 2,196. Okay, now what is 216R plus 150R? 216 plus 150 is 366. Correct. So I'll write continue here. 2,169 equals 366R. Yes, correct. So now R will be 2,196 upon 366. Okay. Do the cancellation here. You can just think also. यहाँ पे भी 6 है और यहाँ पे भी लास्ट नंबर 6 है. So 6 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 6 मिलता है. 6 6 is 36. Okay. So you can just try this. That 366 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. What do you get? 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 is 36 plus 3 9. 3 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. So I'm getting 2196. That means ones are 6. You will get the rate as 6%. Copy it. Next, last sum of this exercise. John lent 2,550 to Mohan at 7.5% per annum. If Mohan discharges the debt after 8 months by giving back an old black and white television and 1422.5, find the price of the television. Now this is a tricky question. You see, let's understand कि उन्होंने पूछा क्या है. सी, वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि जॉन ने मोहन को 2,550 रुपीज दिए, ठीक है, यूज करने के लिए, और रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना है 7.5%. ओके, नाउ मोहन डिस्चार्जेस मतलब पेज ऑफ. ओके, पेज ऑफ द डेट मींस जो कर्ज उसने लिया था, जो पैसा उससे लिया था. ओके, आफ्टर 8 months, मतलब मोहन ने कितने टाइम तक पैसे यूज किए, 8 months तक यूज किए. ओके, तो 8 months के लिए the money is used. So we have the principal, we have the rate of interest, we have the time. So we can find the interest here, and then we'll see what happens in the second part. Okay, so first let's find the interest. Interest is PRT upon 100. Okay, so principal is 2500. 8 months means months को year में करना है, तो what do we do? 8 upon 12 years. Months को years में करना है तो divide by 12 करते हैं always. We cannot use months directly. Months को years में करना होता है, ठीक है. Rate is 7.5. Time is 8 upon 12. Okay, this is 7.5. So 0 0 cancel. 4 2s are 4 3s are. Okay, you can cancel this 3 here. 3 1s are 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 50. Okay, then 5 1s are 7s are, and 5 2s are. 2 and 2 cancel here. So what is remaining in the end? 70 into 7.5. 17 into 7.5. See this? This amounts to 127.5. क्या मिला ये? Interest. Okay, मतलब मोहन ने 2,550 rupees यूज किया for 8 months at 7.5%, and he has to pay कितना interest? 1275. ठीक है, तो जब पैसे रिटर्न करेंगे तो मोहन will have to give the principal plus this interest. मतलब जो अमाउंट, what is the amount Mohan will give back? 2550 plus 127.5. इतना पैसा वो वापस देगा जॉन को. Correct. He is liable to pay John this amount. Okay. Find the value of this. This will come out to be 2677.5. Put the rupees sign also always. ओके तो अभी मोहन को कितना पैसे वापस देने हैं जॉन को? 2677.5 रुपीस देने. ठीक है. बट व्हाट डज मोहन डू? सी, read the question, second part of the question. What is Mohan? If Mohan discharges the debt after 8 months by giving an old black and white TV and 1422 rupees 0.5, means मोहन ने क्या किया? कितना पैसा उसे देना था? मोहन को देना था 2677.5 देना था. ठीक है. पर उसने इसके बदले क्या दिया? उसने एक ओल्ड टीवी रिटर्न किया एंड प्लस उसके साथ 1422.5 रुपीस दिए. ओके. उसने ये पूरा पैसा नहीं दिया. उसने इन रिटर्न में एक टीवी, ओल्ड ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टीवी एंड प्लस 1422.5 रुपीस दिए. ठीक है. बिकॉज उसके पास पूरे पैसे नहीं थे तो उसने अपने घर का एक सामान दे दिया ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट प्राइस. ओके. तो उसने टीवी दे दिया और ये अमाउंट दिया और ये दोनों देके उसने पूरा डेट क्लियर कर दिया. ओके. तो दे आर आस्किंग अस व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस टीवी, फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस टेलीविजन. तो हाउ कैन वी डू दैट? कैसे मिलेगा? सी, जो टीवी की प्राइस थी प्लस जो उसने पैसा दिया, दिस टोटल मनी विल अमाउंट टू द टोटल डेट. उसे इतना देना था तो उसने एक टेलीविजन और एक ये दिया. समझ गए? So now television price will be 26.5 minus 1422.5. You are getting the answer as 1255. Your answer should be 1255. Put rupees sign. This is the cost of the TV. Okay. Now let's start the next exercise. I want all of you to attend the lecture. Yesterday also I had called 3-4 parents because those students were not in the lecture. So I had called their parents directly. I want everyone to attend the lecture, full lecture. You should not miss anything. Instead of watching the recorded lecture, it is always better to watch the lecture live, because you can ask your doubts, you can see the interaction, you can give me answers. Everything is possible there. Okay. Come to the second exercise. In the next exercise, there is no new formula. This is the same formula which we will use in next exercise also. Okay, but the complexity of the sums will increase. Okay, थोड़े से और difficult sums आएंगे, थोड़े से और difficult sums होंगे. But now we have understood the concept of interest properly. So for us, the sums won't be that difficult. We'll do it slowly. We'll understand the concept. Come to exercise 9B. Yesterday I had given you the markings of which sums are there and which are not there. Okay, and I have sent in the group also. In 9B, question number 8 is not there. Let's do question number 1. It says interest on certain sum of money is 0.24 times of itself in 3 years. Means what they are saying is that on certain sum of money, we don't know the sum of money, मतलब कितना principal है ये हमें नहीं पता है, ठीक है? So we'll take, let the principal be x. Let the principal be x. Okay, so they are saying the interest on this principal is 0.24 times of itself. 0.24 times of itself, matlab 0.24 times means interest is 0.24x. Okay, you can take 100 also and solve the sum. ठीक है, 100 से भी कर सकते हैं, पर 0.24 से भी easy होगा, not a problem. ठीक है. In school, it is done using 100 or 0. Do you remember? Does anyone remember? In the school, have they taken 100 or they taken x? Both are correct. Doesn't matter. Okay. So I can see that in school they have taken 100. Okay. So let's take 100. Let's follow the school method. Okay, so let the principal be 100. Okay, they are saying the interest is 0.24 times, 0.24 times the itself. Itself matlab principal. Okay, itself matlab principal. So 0.24 times the principal. Okay, so interest कितना हो गया? 0.24 into 100, that is 24. Okay, मैं x मेथड भी बता दूंगा, जिसको x मेथड देखना होगा तो एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज के लिए. Okay, and they are saying the time is 3 years. Time is 3 years. What do we have to find? We have to find the rate of interest. Okay, so interest is PRT upon 100. So interest is 24, principal is 100, rate we don't know, time is 3 years upon 100. Just solve this, you will get the interest. You will get the rate. What is the answer? 8%. Correct. 100 will get cancelled. 3 will come down. You will get the rate as 8%. ओके मैं एक बार एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक एक्स का मेथड भी बता देता हूँ. क्या होता है एक्स होता तो इंटरेस्ट वुड बिकम 0.24x. अगर हम प्रिंसिपल को x लेते तो इंटरेस्ट बनता है 0.24x. एंड देन जब हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते तो इंटरेस्ट की जगह पे आता है 0.24x. प्रिंसिपल विल बी x into rate into time is 3 years upon 100. Okay, now what will happen? This x will get cancelled. 0.24 होता है 24 upon 100 equals r into 3 upon 100. 100 cancel, 3 नीचे आता, सेम आंसर आता. ठीक है, but 100 is also good, not a problem. Done. Next sum. Question number 2. They are saying 3750 amounts to 3750 amounts to 4620 in 3 years. So time is given as 3 years. 3750 amounts to 4620 का मतलब क्या है? 3750 is the principal. 3750 is the principal and 4620 is the amount. Okay. Now what is the formula for amount? Amount is P plus I. Principal और interest को जब add करते हैं तो we get the amount. Okay, we have to add the principal and the interest both. Okay. So amount in the question is 4620. Principal is 3750. And what is the interest? Interest का formula क्या होता है? PRT upon 100. Correct? Now this 3750 will come on the left hand side. Minus 3750 equals P is 3750 into R we don't know and time is 3 years upon 100. Solve this. So 0 cancel. 5 sevens are 5s are and 5 2s are. Now this 2 will come here upon 75 into 3 equals R. Is the answer in decimal? Just check. What is the answer behind the textbook? Just check. Mixed fraction. What is the answer you are getting? See, 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 9s are. Then 5, 15s are 5, 5s are, and 8s are. So I am getting 58 into 2. That is 116 upon 15 equals R. So when you solve this, 116 and 15. So 15 sevens are 105. What will remain? 11. So mixed fraction क्या होगा? Mixed fraction will be 7, 11 upon 15. Is this the answer behind? And put a percent sign. This is a percentage. This is the division here I have done for mixed fraction. Now there is a second part also for the question. The second part is find the amount of 7,500. I am doing the second part. Find the amount of 7,500 in 5.5 years at same rate of interest. Same rate of interest मतलब यही वाला rate of interest यहाँ पे second part में use करना है. 116 upon 15%. We have to find the amount using this information. So पहले interest find करते हैं. Interest is PRT upon 100. That is 7500 into rate is 116 upon 15 into time is 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. This is 11 upon 2 years. So 11 upon 2 upon 100. Okay, 0 0 cancel. 15 ones are 15 fives are 2 ones are 2 58. So you will get 5 into 58 into 11. Do this calculation. This will be your interest. And then amount will be principal plus interest. That is 7,500 plus whatever value you get here for interest. What is the interest you are getting? This answer, what is this answer? 3190. Yes, correct. Answer will be 3190 interest. And then when you add 3190 with 7150, what is the value you get? 10690. Put a rupees sign. This is the final amount. All of you must get this amount. Yes, Aram, what is your doubt? We'll do one more sum today and then we'll end the lecture. Third sum will be the last sum for today. Third sum. See, a sum of money lent out at simple interest doubles itself in 8 years. So let the sum of money be 100. Let the sum of money मतलब principal, be 100. ठीक है? It doubles itself in 8 years. Time कितना दिया है? 8 years. Principal double होना मतलब 100 का 200 बन जाएगा. ठीक है? 100 ऑलरेडी था और उसका 200 बन गया. Means how much interest is added? कितना इंटरेस्ट ऐड हुआ? 100 का 200 बना means 100 और ऐड हो गया इंटरेस्ट. करेक्ट? वी हैव डन दिस टाइप ऑफ सम बिफोर आल्सो. जब डबल होता है, अमाउंट डबल होता है मतलब जो प्रिंसिपल है उतना ही इंटरेस्ट ऐड हो जाता है उसके अंदर, तो पैसा डबल हो जाएगा. The principal will double only when the same amount of interest will get added here. Okay, so the principal gets doubled. Therefore, the interest is 100. इंटरेस्ट 100 होगा, प्रिंसिपल 100 है, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 200 मिलेगा. इसका मतलब पैसा डबल हो गया, 100 का 200 बन गया. ठीक है? टाइम इज 3 years. So this is the time, this is the principal, and this is the interest. So we have to find the rate now. Interest is PRT upon 100. Okay, so 100 equals principal 100. Rate we don't know. Time is 8 years. So 100 will cancel. What is the answer you will get? Rate will be 12.5%, 12.5%, 12.5%, 25 upon 2. You will get 25 upon 2, 12.5. Write in mixed fraction. First part is done. Okay. Second part, it says in how many years? In how many years? मतलब time find करना है. ठीक है? Capital T. In how many years will the sum become 3 times of itself? Sum triple कभी हो जाएगा. ठीक है? मतलब प्रिंसिपल जो हमारा 100 था, ठीक है, इसमें कितना इंटरेस्ट ऐड होगा? तो प्रिंसिपल विल ट्रिपल. 100 का ट्रिपल होना मतलब 300 बन जाना. ठीक है? तो 100 का 300 कब बनेगा? जब उसमें कितना इंटरेस्ट ऐड होगा? How much interest will get added for this 100 to become 300? 200 will get added. Correct? 200 will get added. तो interest को कितना लेंगे? 200. Okay, so right here, sum will get tripled. Therefore, interest will be 200. Okay, and they are saying in the end, at the same rate. At the same rate मतलब यही rate of interest. ये वाला ही rate of interest use करना है. So rate of interest is 25/2. मतलब वही 12.5%. Okay. So let's find interest is equals to PRT upon 100. Okay. Interest is 200. Principal is 100. Rate is 25/2. And time we don't know. Okay. This 100 will get cancelled. So 200, this 2 will come here. And this 25 will come down. 5 5s are, 5 4s are, 5 1s are, 5 8s are. So the time will be 8 into 2, 16 years. Okay. Any doubts? We are doing the exercise very slowly. We are doing each and every sum very slowly so that you understand each and every step. Now, out of the 10 sums, 1 is omit and 3 we have completed. So 6 sums are left. Those 6 sums we'll do it in the next video lecture. If you have any doubt, you can wait and ask me. Or else, goodbye to all of you. Take care. About tomorrow, everything will be informed in the group. Okay.